The role of predictive analytics in forecasting customer behavior. Well, ever wished you had a crystal ball to predict what your customers are going to do next? Well, today we are going to explore the next best thing, predictive analytics. By the end of this session, you will understand how to forecast customer behavior using tools you already have at your fingertips. Ready to turn the data into insights? Let's dive in. So, what is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics, a business forecast. Predictive analytics is like having a weather forecast for your business. Just as meteorologists predict rain so that you can grab an umbrella, predictive analytics helps you anticipate customer actions so you can make smarter marketing decisions. Well, it's an not a picnic, a ruiner like weather forecasts usually. This production won't ruin your picnic. So, why is predictive analytics important in marketing? To have personalized marketing campaigns, understanding your customers' future actions can help you personalize marketing campaigns, improved customer retention. Understanding your customers' future actions can help you improve customer retention. Boosting sales and revenue. Understanding your customers' future actions can help you boost sales and revenue. In fact, according to Forbes, businesses that use predictive analytics are 2.9 times more likely to report revenue growth above the industry average. Let's take a real life example. Jenny, who noticed that the customers often browse but do not make a purchase. The solution? She used predictive analytics to identify customers who are likely to buy based on their browsing history. Action? Sent personalized emails with product recommendations, and the result was that she saw a 20% increase in conversions within a month. So, with the results that you can get using predictive analytics, now comes an important part on what tools can you use for predictive analytics. Google Analytics is the first and the most important one. It provides purchase probability, churn probability, and revenue prediction. And the best part is that it's free. Then you can use Microsoft Excel with its built-in forecasting functions, part of the Office suite which you likely already have. MailChimp predictive segmentation to target customers likely to engage, well, included in standard plans. Then you have Shopify Analytics. If you have an e-commerce store for online stores, predicts sales trends and customer behavior, included in most of the Shopify plans. Let us look at Google Analytics for predictive insights. The steps are easy to follow. Access your Google Analytics account, log into it, navigate to the audience report, behavior, and predictive matrices. To understand the matrices, you have purchase probability and you have churn probability. Then you can create predictive audiences. You click on admin, you go to audience definitions, audiences, plus click on a new audience, choose predictive conditions like users likely to purchase in the next 7 days, and then you save your audience. So that ways you can create audiences, and based on audiences you can create marketing campaigns. So use audiences in Google Ads or email campaigns, like I just said. Since these audiences, sync these audiences with Google Ads for targeted campaigns, or export the list for personalized email marketing. That's the power of Google Analytics. Some practical tips that I have for effective predictive analytics. Ensure data quality. If you put in garbage, what you're going to get out is a garbage. So garbage in, garbage out. Make sure your data is accurate. And you start small. Begin with one metric or a customer segment. This is very, very, very important. Do not jump into doing big things. Start small. Combine with customer insights. Use predictive data along with customer feedback. Test and learn. Run A/B tests to see what strategies work best. A real life mini case study for you. Tom's Fitness Center used predictive analytics, one of our clients, to identify members likely to cancel. By offering them personalized incentives, he reduced churn by 15%. Now, by implementing this, he did not have to spend extra on marketing to reduce the churn by 15%. So he increases revenue without increase in expense. Let us now address some common concerns around Google Analytics. Is it complicated? Well, if you're using it for the first time, you might find it a bit difficult, but it is not at all. Tools like Google Analytics simplify the process. What about data privacy? Well, always comply with regulations like GDPR, use aggregated data when possible. Will it replace my intuition? Well, think of it as a complement to your expertise and not a replacement. So, how can you use Excel for forecasting? That's it. Step 1 is to prepare your data, list your sales data with dates and values. Use the forecast function in a new cell, type forecast.ets, bracket dates, values, and timelines. Create a forecast sheet. Go to the data tab, forecast sheet. Excel will generate a forecast chart for you. Interpret the results. Use the forecast to plan inventory and marketing campaigns, etc. That's easy once again. So the next steps, decide between Google Analytics, Excel or another platform, but go with one matrix. One matrix means one tool. One tool means your ability to analyze, review and scale becomes better. Identify your key metrics. It could be sales, customer churn or email engagement. Set up predictive analytics. Follow the step-by-step guide we just covered. Implement and monitor. Apply insights to your marketing strategies and track results. Some resources, well, Google Analytics Help Centers would help you. Microsoft's Guide to Excel Forecasting, you can have a look at that. And then you have MailChimp's Predictive Segmentation, where you can find a lot of details as well. So to conclude and to give you a small bit of encouragement, Predictive Analytics is a powerful tool that can transform your marketing efforts from being reactive to being proactive. By anticipating customer behavior, you can make smarter decisions, personalize experiences, and stay ahead of the competition. That's all what we want, right? Stay ahead of the competition. Well, why not take a few minutes today to explore predictive metrics in your favorite tool? And in our next lesson, we will walk through setting up a predictive model using accessible platforms like Google Analytics or Microsoft Azure ML. Stay tuned with me. Once again, a final word from me. Embracing predictive analytics does not require a degree in data science. With the right tools and a bit of curiosity, that's important. Curiosity is the key word here. You can unlock valuable insights that propel your marketing efforts forward. So go ahead, take a peek into the future and start making data-driven decisions today.